What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie McQueen. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to clean your pillows. I feel like we all clean our pillowcases, but we neglect our pillows. As you can see, these pillows are dirty, stained, yellow. It's important to be cleaning your pillows every 3 to 6 months because they can house sweat, body oils, bacterial, and all of the above, which just aren't good or healthy for you to be sleeping on. So in this video, we're going to clean one pillow with hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is really good at lifting up all types of organic stains that are on the pillow. And then we will clean the other pillow with the Tide OxiClean. And we're going to see actually which one does a better job at cleaning the pillows. Now, sometimes it's important to just count your losses on the pillow and just get rid of it if it's stained too badly and it probably isn't even functioning properly anymore. So if it really is too stained, then just go ahead and go out and buy a new pillow. You want to make sure that you are generously spraying the hydrogen peroxide all over the pillow, especially where you can visibly see the stains. And then I'm just going to take a soft scrub brush and really work the product into the stain. And like I said, we're going to use the Tide OxiClean spot remover for the other side. And same thing, just spray it generously all over the pillow and work it in with a soft brush. And there is one pillow that you cannot wash in your washing machine, and that is a memory foam. So here is the little case that is around a memory foam pillow. I'm also going to be cleaning this with the OxiClean spot remover. Then you want to allow the product time to actually work. So let it sit on your pillows for 30 minutes. When the 30 minutes are up, you're going to wash your pillows in your washing machine. You want to make sure that you put one pillow on each side so that it keeps things evenly in the drum and doesn't mess up your machine or your pillows. We're going to be washing them on a heavy cycle on cold water. You can use whatever detergent you have. I just have the all free and clear because we have some sensitive skin over here. But yeah, feel free to use whatever you have. And then I will also be adding a small scoop of the OxiClean White Revive. After they're done washing, go ahead and pull your pillows out and take a good look at them. I can already tell they look so much better. The stains are gone, and you want to just kind of fluff your pillows back up. Just do this motion with them so they get some life back into them, and then you're going to go ahead and place them in the dryer. Then you want to dry your pillows on a gentle cycle with some dryer balls. Okay, here is the end result. This is the pillowcase that was over the memory foam pillow. That looks so much better. It's nice and clean. And then this pillow also looks so much better. All the stains are gone. This was cleaned with the OxiClean spot remover. It definitely looks way better. I must say, though, that the hydrogen peroxide did a fantastic job on this pillow. It really looks bright and white and clean again. So yeah, I think hydrogen peroxide works better than the OxiClean spot remover. That's all that I have for you guys in this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye.